Did you know one simple mistake can slowly kill even the toughest houseplant? The ZZ plant is famous for surviving neglect, but that doesn't mean it will always thrive. If you want glossy green leaves, faster growth, and a plant that stays beautiful for years, you need to know a few essential care secrets. From watering correctly to choosing the perfect light, these easy tips will transform your ZZ plant into a stunning indoor centerpiece. Stay until the end, because the final tip is one that even experienced plant owners often overlook, and it could make all the difference for your plant's long-term health. Number 1. Provide the right amount of light. ZZ plants are incredibly adaptable, making them perfect for beginners, but proper lighting helps them reach their full potential. Place your plant in bright, indirect sunlight near an east or north-facing window where it receives plenty of filtered light throughout the day. Although it can survive in dim rooms or offices, low light slows growth and reduces the production of new stems. Avoid placing your ZZ plant in direct afternoon sunlight because intense rays can burn its glossy leaves, leaving brown patches. Rotate the pot every couple of weeks so all sides receive equal light, encouraging balanced growth and a fuller, healthier appearance. Number 2. Water less than you think. Overwatering is the #1 reason ZZ plants struggle indoors. Their thick underground rhizomes act like water storage tanks, allowing them to survive long, dry periods. Before watering, always check that the soil has dried completely from top to bottom. Insert your finger a few inches into the soil or use a moisture meter for accuracy. When it's time to water, soak the soil thoroughly until water drains from the bottom of the pot, then empty the saucer immediately. Never let the roots sit in standing water. Remember, a slightly thirsty ZZ plant is much healthier than one growing in soggy soil. Number 3. Choose fast-draining soil. Healthy roots begin with healthy soil. ZZ plants prefer a loose, airy potting mix that drains excess water quickly. A combination of quality indoor potting soil, perlite, and coarse sand or pumice creates an ideal environment where roots receive both moisture and oxygen. Avoid heavy garden soil because it retains too much water and increases the risk of root rot. Always plant your ZZ plant in a container with drainage holes so excess water can escape freely. Good soil not only prevents disease, but also encourages stronger root development, giving your plant the foundation it needs for years of healthy growth. Number 4. Keep temperatures comfortable. ZZ plants thrive in the same temperatures that people find comfortable. Aim to keep indoor temperatures between 65 and 85 degrees Fahrenheit or 18 to 29 degrees Celsius. Avoid placing your plant near heating vents, fireplaces, air conditioners, or drafty windows where sudden temperature changes can cause stress. While ZZ plants tolerate average household humidity, they appreciate slightly higher humidity during very dry seasons. If your home becomes extremely dry in winter, placing a small humidifier nearby can help maintain healthy foliage. Stable environmental conditions reduce stress and encourage your ZZ plant to produce strong, vibrant new stems. Number 5. Feed it lightly during the growing season. Unlike many fast-growing houseplants, ZZ plants do not require frequent fertilizing. Feeding too often can actually damage the roots and lead to fertilizer salt buildup in the soil. During spring and summer, apply a balanced liquid houseplant fertilizer diluted to half strength once every 4 to 6 weeks. This provides enough nutrients to support healthy leaf production without overwhelming the plant. Stop fertilizing during fall and winter because the plant naturally slows its growth during cooler months. Light feeding combined with proper watering and lighting is more than enough to keep your ZZ plant looking lush and vibrant. Number 6. Clean the leaves regularly. Dust naturally collects on the broad, shiny leaves of ZZ plants over time. While it may seem harmless, dust blocks sunlight and reduces the plant's ability to perform photosynthesis efficiently. Every few weeks, gently wipe both sides of each leaf using a soft, damp cloth. This simple task instantly restores the plant's glossy appearance while improving its overall health. Avoid using commercial leaf shine sprays because they may clog the leaf surface. Clean leaves also make it much easier to spot pests or diseases early before they become serious problems. A clean plant is truly a healthier, happier plant. Number 7. Repot only when necessary. One great thing about ZZ plants is that they enjoy being slightly root-bound. Unlike many houseplants, they don't need frequent repotting. Usually, repotting every 2 to 3 years is enough, or sooner if you notice swollen rhizomes pressing against the pot. Choose a container only one size larger than the current one to prevent excess soil from holding too much moisture. Spring is the ideal season for repotting because the plant quickly recovers during active growth. Handle the rhizomes carefully as they store water and nutrients that keep your ZZ plant healthy during periods of drought or neglect. Number 8. Watch for common problems. Although ZZ plants are naturally resistant to pests and diseases, it's still important to inspect them regularly. Look closely for spider mites, mealybugs, scale insects, or aphids hiding beneath the leaves or along the stems. If you notice pests, wipe the leaves clean and treat the plant with insecticidal soap or neem oil. Yellow leaves accompanied by soft stems usually indicate overwatering rather than insect damage. Brown leaf tips may result from extremely dry air or inconsistent watering. Catching these problems early allows you to correct them quickly, keeping your ZZ plant healthy, beautiful, and thriving all year long. Now you know the most important ZZ plant care tips that every indoor gardener should follow. Give your plant bright indirect light, avoid overwatering, use fast-draining soil, and provide just a little fertilizer during the growing season. These simple habits will reward you with glossy green leaves and a healthy plant that can thrive for many years with minimal effort. If you found these tips helpful, be sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more easy houseplant care guides. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next plant growing adventure.